Hello guys, today we're going to talk about classroom expectations, or to be very specific, you guys are going to be talking about classroom expectations. So when you go into your Flipgrid classrooms, you will see a new topic, which is classroom expectations. And what I want you guys to do is to post one thing that you all should be doing or not doing when we have classes. For example, we already talked about how we should not chat in the chat box on Zoom sessions when we are actually having our study sessions. That is one thing. We already talked about such things, and I do want you guys to go ahead and pick one topic and post that. You can also say things that we should not be doing, like, for example, or you should be doing, sorry, for example, paying attention or being very active and participating. Now, after you state what your thing is, I need you to expand very briefly on it, and do listen to your peers. Hear them out and make sure you understand what everyone is saying. And if they've already said something that you wanted to say, do not repeat that. Go ahead and say or contribute something else to this classroom expectations. And that is all you have to do for today.